Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can set up leave approval system with Google Forms through your Google Sheets and send it to your employees on their email through your Gmail. So how we are going to do that and what is the need of this automation? Suppose you are an HR of a company where employees under you are asking you for the leave now and then. Now, whenever they will ask you for the leave, are you going to manually type the responses or manually type the reply and send them again and again? How tiresome and how time taking it would be. Instead of that, what we are going to do, we will integrate our Google Forms with our Gmail, and in our Google Sheets, what we are going to do, we are going to put a condition where if you will approve the leave, a particular message will be sent automatically to the person, or if you will disapprove the leave, a particular kind of message will be sent to the person automatically from your Gmail. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use Google Forms where person will submit the leave application through Google Forms, and then that will be integrated with your Gmail. And after that, a response through your Gmail will be sent to their email if you are approving or disapproving their leave. Now, I'm really sorry for that. Now, what you have to do is, you have to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, for that. So that whenever you want to connect Google Forms and Gmail together and a form submission has been made in your Google Forms, it will automatically be integrated with your Gmail, and an automatic response from your Gmail will be sent to your employees' email IDs. Okay? Now, you will ask me how you are going to do that. So to learn that, you have to come with me to the screen. Okay, so we are now at our screen, and now what we have to do, we have to go to the address bar and type in Pabbly pabbly.com/connect. And as soon as you will do that, you will be redirected to this page. Now here, you will get two options. First one is sign in, second one is sign up. So obviously before signing in, you have to sign up, and signing up is absolutely free. And we are also giving you 100 free tasks from our side so that you can practice the workflows which we are teaching you right here. Now I already have an account here, so I will just go for sign in. This is my account. I'll just go and log in. And as soon as I log in, you can see this beautiful interface. These are my softwares right here. And now what I have to do is I have to go to Pabbly Connect and access now. Now, as soon as I do that, you can see I have been redirected here, and I have, hundreds of workflows here, and hundreds of applications has been integrated through Pabbly Connect. Now for you, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new workflow. And what are we doing? We are integrating our Google Forms to Gmail. Okay. Gmail. Now what will happen whenever someone will give the application for leave through Google Forms, a message of approval or disapproval will be sent to that person through my Gmail to his or her Gmail. Okay. Now let's create this. Now what we have to do, obviously first we are going to take Google Forms and new response received. Now what is here, we have, this is the trigger window and this is the action window. Now trigger window is the window where something is happening at the start of an event or the start of a process. So when an event is happening, which means when this happens, and which in turn means when a new form is submitted to the Google Forms, and then it will do the action part, which means do this, which ultimately means sending a Gmail to the person who is asking for the leave. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to connect Google Forms to Pabbly Connect first. So what we will do, first we will go and copy this, and now we are going to do this through a webhook URL. Now this is the leave application form which I have already made for you people. Now you can see here we do not have any webhook URL integrating option. So what we are going to do, we know, now I don't know if you people know or not, but I will tell you that the Google Forms are directly connected to the Google Sheets right here. So whenever I click on this plus icon, you can see a new Google Sheet has been opened here, and I have tried and tested this. So I am going to tell you, this is my name, this is the email, department, reason for leave, description, when is the leave starting, when is the leave ending, and number of leaves required, and then leave status. It should be approved or disapproved. Now what we are going to do, first, let me delete this so that, it would be more comfortable for you to understand. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to integrate this with my Pabbly Connect through this webhook URL. Now what are we going to do? We will copy this webhook URL. We will go to our spreadsheet. Then we will select extensions, and then we will go to Pabbly Connect webhooks. Now if you do not have Pabbly Connect webhooks extension here, what you have to do is you have to go to add-ons, then click on get add-ons. And after you click on get add-ons, you have to type in the search bar Pabbly Connect webhooks. Okay, webhooks, WEBHOOKS. So this extension will come in front of you. I already have this in my system. You have to go and install this. Okay. Now after installing this, what you will do, you will go to extensions, then Pabbly Connect webhooks, then initial setup. After clicking on initial setup, you have to just copy the webhook URL. I'm sorry, you have to paste the webhook URL which you copied from here. Okay. And then you have to go for the trigger column. Now what is our trigger column here? Our trigger column will be the last data column of our spreadsheet, whatever it is. Okay. For me, it is K. For you, it can be B, C, D, G, H, whatever it is. Okay. So I'll just go for K, and then I'll go for send test. Okay, I'm really sorry. I will just go for submit because we do not have any data here right now. So what we are going to do, we are going to just submit it. And then we will wait for the webhook response. But before that, we have to put the data here. Now, how will the data come here? For that, you have to fill the form, Google form. So let me fill it. So wait a minute, let me preview this. And now we are going to fill it. So 111, my employee ID. Arpit Kumar Sharma is my full name. So I'll just put it here. My email, where I want my, leave application status to be sent to. Okay, that is my email. So you have to be very careful. You have to write the, put down the right email so that the leave status will come to you at your email. The socialfever2020@gmail.com. Department is I am in the software video team. Now reason for leave, I will just go on and give personal leave. Now description. So I'll just type in, hello ma'am, I want a leave for some personal reasons. Please consider it. Okay. So this is what I am typing right now, and this will be sent to the HR or to the head of my department. Now, when am I going to start my leave? I am going to start my leave from, let's say, February 2. Okay. And from February 2 to February 5. So that would be 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 days. Okay. So I'm quite weak at maths. I'm really sorry for that. So number of leave required is 4. I'll just submit this. And as soon as I will submit this, you can see this is the, the response which I have received in my Google Sheets. And now what happens is the response which I have received in my Google Sheets has been here in my Pabbly Connect dashboard. So what we are doing, we are connecting our Google Forms through our Google Sheets to our Pabbly Connect, and we have successfully connected our Google Sheets to our Pabbly Connect. That means first step is successful. Now what we are going to do, first I am going to set a date time formatter because I don't want this time to be shown in the mail which I am sending to the person. So what will happen? Only the date will be sent to the person as an HR, whatever I will type to that person. So what will happen? Here, only the date will come. Now, how will we do that? We will go for date time formatter. Format time with the format date with time zone. Now connect it. Now go here, and now I am going to use a technique which is called mapping. Mapping will let you take the data from this window and put it in this window very easily. Okay, you do not have to copy paste anything. You do not have to type anything. So I will just go here, take the timestamp. I just want the date. So I'll go here, and this is in which format I want. I can choose. So I just want this one, date, month and year. So I'll go for this one. It will be converted into this format. Now I have to select my country and my time zone. So here it is, because I am from India. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it right here. You can search for your country and your time zone according to your area. And now what we are going to do, we are going to save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, you can see it has been changed to 31st January 2022 because today is the 31st January 2022. Okay. Now, there are two options. Either the HR will approve the leave or the HR will disapprove the leave. So what we are going to do, these are two conditions. And for these two conditions, specially, we are going to use a feature which will help us make streams for these both of these conditions. So we are going to use router here. Router means which will create two separate routes for your workflow. Now, first one is if the leave is approved. Okay. Update. Second one is if the leave is disapproved. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I will just go to set filter and action step. And now it is asking me for the label. So the label will be the approve status which we got in Google Forms or through Google Forms. So here we will have that status. Let me find it. This is the leave status. Okay. Now this leave status is blank right now. So I'll just map it here, and here I will write approved. Let me see what I have used in my Google Sheets. I have used approved and disapproved. Okay. So I will just go in here and type approved, save and send test request, and it will tell you error, the condition is false, but you do not have to worry because we are not working for this. We are working for this. Okay. So you will see the magic in some time. What you have to do is you have to connect your Gmail account here like I am doing. So this is Gmail, action event, send mail, connect. And how you are going to do that? Let me first delete this one. We are going to go for add new connection, and then I will connect the Gmail of my Ashi Rai 824 account. Okay. So add new connection, connect with Gmail, and you can see this is my account. And let me tell you one thing here, Pabbly Connect does not have anything to do with your data. Your data is absolutely safe with us. Okay. Authorization successful. Now, recipient email address where you want to send the mail as an HR. So what you are going to do, you are going to go here and take this email here, the socialfever2020@gmail.com. Okay. We do not want this. We do not want this. Sender name is Ashirai, obviously, which is my account. Email subject is leave status. You can fill it in manually. Now plain email content. So what you can do is you can either manually type it and then map the content here which will be coming to us from the Google Forms. I'll show you how. Hello. And now I will just map in the name of the person who is asking for leave. Arpit Kumar Sharma. I have received your request for, or I should say, received your leave application from. Okay. Now you can again map in the data from 2/2/2002 to 2/5/2022, and I am considering it, but please complete all the pending work before going for the leave. Okay, so this is my message. So whenever the the leave will be approved, this message will be sent to that person automatically with his name and with the dates he is asking the leave for. Okay, we do not need file name, we do not need attachment. Save and send test request. Now you can see it has been done. Now let me go to that email. But you will see that I do not have any, further applications from that, what should I say, from that HR, because I did not do approve or disapprove right now. But first, when you will be setting up this account or this workflow, either you do approve or disapprove the, the person asking for leave. It will show you when you will save and send test request. Like here, you can see, hello Arpit Kumar Sharma, I have received your leave application from, and I'm considering it, but please complete all the pending work before going for the leave. Okay, this is the save and send test part. So I have not approved it yet, but it is showing me this because for the first time when I will set up this workflow, it is going to test and send me this message. Okay. Now let me go back. Not here. Let me go back to Pabbly Connect and let me set the router too. Now, here what you are going to do, you have to select the leave status, map in the leave status, and now here we are going to type disapproved. Okay. Save and send test request, and again it is going to say error, but we are not working for this. We are working for this, as I told you. Now we are going to put Gmail here again. Gmail. Now I'll connect my account. And as you can see, I have already connected my account a few moments ago. So I'm not going to go and add new connection. I'll just select this and save this. Recipient email address will be thesocialfever2020@gmail.com. Now sender name is Ashirai. Okay. Email subject is leave status. Now, I have to change the content here because the leave status is now disapproved. So, hello. Arpit Kumar Sharma, I am so sorry to inform you that your leave application from, now map in the dates, 2/2/2022 to 2/5/2022 has been disapproved because we do not have anyone to replace you for the time being, and workload on the company is more. We can sit and talk about this later. Okay, so this is the message which will be, sent to the person whose leave would be disapproved. Now I will just go here. We do not want to fill this and save and send test request. And as soon as I do that, you can see here, the status has been sent, which means that our workflow is successful, our integration is successful. And now let me go back and check if it is working or not. So you can see here, let me go back here, and you can see here I have one new message. Hello Arpit Kumar Sharma, I am so sorry to inform you that your leave application from 2222 has been disapproved because we do not have anyone to replace you for the time being and workload on the company is more. We can sit and talk about this later. Now let me go back and you can see this. I am deleting this. Okay, I have deleted all the messages from Ashi Rai right now. Now what I am going to do, I will again go and fill up the form and approve and disapprove the status for you. Okay. Now, employee ID will be different, 1234. Full name is different, Rajan Shah. Email, I am going to use the same email, the social fever 2020@gmail.com. Department, digital marketing. Reason for update, sick leave. Hello, I am sick. Please grant me leave. Okay, I am not typing a really long message so that, your time will not be consumed more from my side. Now what I am going to do, I'll just go for today from 31st to February 2. Okay, your answer. Number of leaves required, 31, 1, 2, 3. Okay. As I told you, I'm weak in maths. I'm really sorry for that. Submit. So the response have been submitted and the, leave application. Let me refresh it. And you can see, I have this 1234 employee ID Rajan Shah, the social fever 2020@gmail.com, digital marketing, sick leave. Hello, I am sick. Please grant me leave. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to approve him. So as soon as I do that, a message will be sent to his Gmail, which in this case is the social fever. Hello, Rajan Shah. I have received your leave application from 1/3/2020, 2022 and I am considering it, but please complete all the pending work before going for the leave. This is the same email which we set up when we were giving approval to the person. So this is the mail for approval. Now let me delete this one. I'm deleting this. Okay. Now I will disapprove the person. Now we will see what happens. So let me go here. Let me create one more form. Now the employee ID is 4321. Full name is Sonam Rai. Email is again the social fever 2020@gmail.com. Department is digital marketing. Reason for requested leave, vacation. She wants to go on a vacation. Description. Hello, sir. I want leave for vacation. Please consider it. Okay, I am not writing a long formal mail just to save you some time. Now leave start. She is going on February 4, let's say. Leave ends on February 8. Okay. So 4, 5, 6, 8. It would be a 4-day leave. Submit it. And as soon as we do that, you can see here, we have digital marketing vacation leave. Hello, sir. I want to leave for vacation. Please consider it this. And now I'm going to disapprove it. So I will just disapprove and I will go back to my Gmail account and let's see what happens here. Refresh. Okay, wait a minute. What happened here? Disapproved. Again, go to your Gmail account. Let's see. Okay, so it took some time here, but you can see it is saying, hello Sonam Rai, I'm so sorry to inform you that your leave application from 2/4/2022 to -- has been disapproved because we do not have anyone to replace you for the time being and workload on the company is more. We can sit and talk about this later. Okay, I'm really sorry. I forgot to write thank you there. I should have written it. But as you can see, you can just, type in your formal mails, whatever you want to send to the people of your company, employees of your company. And this is how you can use this beautiful workflow and automation. And also, if you want to use this workflow directly, you can just go to my description link and clone it into your account. But for that, first you have to make an account. And to make an account, you have to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free. And we are also giving you 100 free tasks for this. Okay. So thanks a lot for watching this. And hasta la vista. Take care. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to edit in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.